Welcome to Daily English Learning. I am Sophia.
And I am Ethan, so happy to be here today.
Today's topic makes so many people nervous.
Oh yes, very nervous.
We are talking about job interviews.
Just hearing that word makes my heart beat faster.
Same, but specifically how to talk about yourself confidently.
That one question, tell me about yourself.
Yes, that question. It sounds so simple.
But the moment you sit down, your mind goes completely blank.
Everything you prepared just disappears.
Like it was never even there.
Exactly. So today we fix that problem forever.
I love that. Let us get started.
Ethan, why does this question make people freeze?
Because it is too open, there are no boundaries.
You could talk for 30 seconds or 5 minutes.
And both feel completely wrong.
And then add English on top of that pressure.
Oh yes, now you're worried about grammar too.
And your accent and your vocabulary.
It is too much happening at once.
But here's the good news. Please tell me the good news, Sophia. This question has a very clear structure.
A structure, like a formula?
Exactly like a formula. Once you know it, you always know what to say.
That is such a relief to hear, honestly.
But first, let's talk about the mistakes people make.
Oh yes, I made all of them in my first interview.
Really, what happened?
I started talking about my school days, my childhood, everything.
Oh no, how far back did you go?
Very far. I think I mentioned my primary school teacher.
The interviewer must have been very confused.
She stopped me after 2 minutes and redirected me completely.
That's mistake number 1, starting from your life story.
Nobody asked for your biography. Stay professional.
The interviewer wants to know who you are today, not 20 years ago.
I wish someone had told me that before my interview, honestly.
That's exactly why we're here today, Ethan.
True. What is mistake number 2?
Using empty words that mean absolutely nothing.
Like what?
I am hardworking, passionate, and a dedicated team player.
But everyone says those exact same words.
Every single candidate in every single interview.
So the interviewer hears it and thinks, okay, next.
Exactly. Words without a real story behind them are just noise.
I definitely said all of those words in my interview.
We all did, Ethan. We all did.
What is mistake number 3?
Memorizing your answer word for word, like a script.
Oh, I did that too. I practiced in front of my mirror for 2 hours.
And then you forgot one word and the whole thing fell apart.
How did you know?
Because it happens to everyone who memorizes word for word.
So what should we do instead?
Learn a flexible structure. Understand it deeply, not just memorize it blindly.
Okay, tell me the structure. I'm ready.
The structure has 4 simple parts.
4 parts. I can remember 4 things.
Part 1, your professional starting point.
Where your career or education began, right?
Exactly, just 1 or 2 sentences, nothing more.
Like, I completed my degree in business administration 3 years ago.
Perfect, short and completely relevant.
Part 2?
Your journey, what did you learn along the way?
Not just job titles, show that you actually grew.
Yes, like I moved into a team leader role managing 8 people.
That shows movement, that shows growth.
Exactly, don't just sit still in your story.
Part 3?
Your biggest achievement, just one with a number if possible.
A number, like I increased sales by 40%?
Yes, numbers make your achievement real and believable.
Without numbers, it's just a claim.
With numbers, it becomes solid proof.
That's such a smart point, Sophia.
And part 4, why you're sitting in that specific interview today.
Connect your story to this company and this role.
Yes, like after researching your company, I believe this is the right fit for me.
That shows you did your homework. You're not just applying everywhere.
Exactly. You specifically want them. That's very powerful.
Okay, starting point, journey, achievement, why you're here. Got it.
That's the formula. Simple but very effective always. Now let's talk about nervousness.
Oh, good, because even with the formula, I still feel nervous.
Everyone does, but here's a small trick.
Tell me, please.
Before you even open your mouth, take 1 slow breath.
Just 1 breath?
Just 1. It tells your brain, I am calm, I'm in control.
That sounds too simple to work.
Try it right now. Breathe in slowly, hold, breathe out.
Okay, actually that does feel better.
Now add a confident opening line before your answer begins.
Like what?
Say, thank you for asking. I'm happy to share my background.
That gives you 2 extra seconds to gather your thoughts.
And you immediately sound polished and prepared.
Small detail, huge difference.
Always the small things, Ethan. Now let's hear 2 full, real example answers.
Yes, this is the part I was waiting for.
First, a fresh graduate with no work experience yet.
Many young people feel they have nothing to say.
But that's completely wrong. Listen to this answer.
Thank you for asking. I recently completed my degree in business administration. During my studies, I led our college festival committee for 2 years. That taught me how to manage teams, budgets, and deadlines under real pressure. I also completed a 3-month internship at a marketing firm last summer. Our content reached over 50,000 people online during that time. I'm now looking to bring that energy into a full-time role here. After learning about your company, I truly believe this is the right fit for me.
She had no full-time job, but she sounded completely impressive.
Because she focused on what she did, not what she lacked.
That mindset shift changes everything for a fresh graduate.
I wish someone had told me that in my first interview, honestly.
Second example, someone with a few years of experience.
Okay, let me try this one.
Go ahead, Ethan.
Thank you. I've been working in sales for about 4 years now. I started as a sales associate and worked my way up to senior executive. I currently manage a portfolio of over 60 business clients every month. Last year, I exceeded my annual target by 42%, a personal best. I enjoy building long-term relationships and finding real solutions for clients. I'm now ready for a bigger challenge where I can lead a team. Your company's focus on innovation really resonated with me deeply.
That was excellent, Ethan.
Really? I actually felt confident saying that.
Because it had growth, a real number, and a connection to the company.
Every part had a purpose behind it.
Exactly. Nothing was wasted, nothing was empty. Now some quick word swaps that instantly sound more professional.
Oh, I love this part. Give me the swaps.
Instead of I did this job, say I was responsible for this area.
That sounds so much stronger already.
Instead of I helped, say I contributed to key projects.
Contributed, much better than helped.
Instead of I worked with a team, say I collaborated with a diverse team.
Collaborated. Okay, writing these down.
Instead of I want this job, say I am genuinely excited about this opportunity.
That last one is my favorite. It sounds so sincere and confident.
Small word changes, massive difference in how you come across always. And finally, how to practice before your interview.
Most people just read the answer silently to themselves.
But speaking out loud is completely different from thinking in your head.
Your mouth needs to practice just like your brain does.
Stand in front of a mirror and say your answer out loud every day.
Record yourself on your phone. Listen back honestly.
Notice where you slow down or lose confidence.
Then work on exactly those moments until they feel smooth.
Don't practice until you get it right once. Practice until you simply cannot get it wrong.
That's the standard we should hold ourselves to always. I'm going to practice tonight, right after this episode.
Good. Your future self will thank you for it.
Let us do a quick recap before we go.
First, avoid the 3 mistakes: life story, empty words, word-for-word memorizing.
Second, use the 4-part structure: starting point, journey, achievement, why you're here.
Third, 1 breath and a confident opening line to manage nervousness.
Fourth, real example answers for wherever you are in your career.
Fifth, swap everyday words for more powerful professional alternatives.
And sixth, practice out loud every single day until it feels natural.
These 6 things will make you the most confident person in any interview room.
I believe that completely now.
Listeners, your next interview is waiting somewhere out there.
And now you have everything you need to walk in ready.
Start preparing today, not the night before, today.
Write your answer using the 4-part structure right now.
Say it out loud, make it completely yours.
Drop the word interview in the comments below right now.
And share this with someone who has an interview coming up soon.
It might be exactly what they needed to hear today.
That's all for today's episode of Daily English Learning.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
See you in the next episode. Keep growing and keep believing in yourself.
Goodbye, everyone. Go walk into that interview and own the room completely.